Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are trying out a brand new facial self tanner. This one is going to be the Bali Body Face Tan Mist in Ultra Dark. It's the new one. It just came out, and literally the second I could put it in my cart and check out, I did. And it's here, and I'm so excited to be trying this out for you guys. So that's what today is gonna be. We are going to read what it's supposed to do, see what it actually does once I try it out, and then I will let you know if I think it's worth your money. So before we get into it, please, you guys, make sure to give this video a thumbs up for me and subscribe to the channel. There's still so many of you that are not subscribed, so please make sure you're not missing out. We have surpassed 9K on YouTube. When we get to 10, I'm gonna do a giveaway, so make sure you're subscribed for that. But yeah, anyways, if you want to see me review this product, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, I am so excited to be trying this out because I feel like it has been a long time since I've tried out a new facial self tanner because, as you guys may already know, I got a nose job in May and I have not put anything really on my face. I did put self tanner on my face last week for the first time. But other than that, like, I have not been touching my face with self tanner since having my surgery, just because I wanted to let things heal without putting like the extra chemicals and products on my face around the scars and everything like that. So I was just like avoiding it. But I feel like it's been 4.5 weeks now. It's been over a month, so I feel like I am like okay to be putting things on my face. So here we are trying this out the first chance that I get. So I have it pulled up on the website. I want to read all the details to you guys, see what this is supposed to do, and then we're gonna try it out. So one more time, Bali Body Face Tan Mist. I got mine in the shade Ultra Dark. So, of course, there's also a dark shade, but I got ultra dark because I just had to. And now I'm gonna have to do an ultra dark body self tanner to match. So this goes for $24.95, which I would say is pretty good pricing for a facial self tanner. I feel like it's pretty standard, like 20s, 30s range. And let's see. The description says our best-selling face tan water repackaged with innovative micro mist technology and now available in 2 shades for an effortless application and perfect shade match to our self-tanning mousses. Achieve a natural looking face tan with our easy to apply, fast drying and ultra nourishing face tan mist. This skincare infused invisible self-tanning water is enriched with anti-aging hyaluronic acid and nourishing natural oils to purify, hydrate, and bronze your complexion, neck, and chest for a radiant glow all year round. And then it says, find your perfect match. Dark face tan mist pairs best with dark self-tanning mousse 1 hour express. Ultra dark face tan mist pairs best with ultra dark mousse 1 hour express ultra dark. So there's a good chance I'm gonna be using my ultra dark 1 hour express self tan mousse to match. It says 100% Australian made and vegan, micro mist technology, skincare meets self tan. And for the how to use, there's a video now. So I don't know, I'm not gonna watch the video. Let me see what it says on here. Oh, the size. It's 3.4 fluid ounces. That is a ton of product that you get, so the price is even better. Like, this is $24.95 and you get 3 ounces. That's literally 3 times the size that these products normally are, so that is amazing. And then on the back here it says, achieve the deepest natural looking face tan with our easy to apply, fast drying, and super hydrating face tan mist in ultra dark. Gently build a deep bronze color whilst keeping your skin refreshed and radiant. Designed to be applied to your face, neck, and décolleté and hands, Bali Body Face Tan Mist in Ultra Dark develops within 4 to 6 hours, enriched with nourishing oils and hyaluronic acid. Say hello to your deepest glowing summer skin all year round. Sounds beautiful. So let's open this up. I want to see what the packaging inside looks like. I'm obsessed. This is so cute. This literally looks just like the body one, but obviously in a face version. It's like a smaller version of it, and it's so cute. This one is like, I can't tell if this is like a super light cream color or if it's straight up white. My eyes are like not cooperating with me, but I think it's white, I want to say, but it's super cute. I love, love, love this. Feels super comfortable in your hands. It's like super smooth. This seems like it would be like nice to travel with. And yeah, oh my god, wait, this is so cute. It's literally like if you've used the Morphe continuous setting mist, this reminds me of that. If this is like a continuous mist, you guys, this is gonna be my new best friend, because the one thing that's missing on like face tan sprays, I think, is a continuous kind of thing like this with a really fine mist. So let's see if this is that. I am hoping that it is. So yeah, we could just apply it to my face. I just put a tiny bit of moisturizer on because my skin was a little bit dry, but that's all I have on my face. It's like all clean, nothing else, just a tiny, tiny layer of moisturizer. And I probably will have a cotton pad ready just in case I need to like wipe things down a little bit. Got my cotton pad out and we are ready to go. So I'm gonna start spraying this on my face and a little bit on my neck, and then we will talk details. So I'm super excited about this one. Okay, let's get started. All right, I just finished applying to my face. I have a glow happening right now and I am loving it. I feel like I am like glistening, and I really, really love how this feels on my face. Like, it legit just feels like a water. It felt like I was spraying one of those like Evian water things on my face. It just felt really, really good and really, really refreshing. So I love that. One thing I'm not the biggest fan of is the smell. It kind of has like a rosy smell to it. It kind of smells like flowers. And I am not a big fan of like flowery, rosy kind of smells. I feel like they can be kind of overpowering and too much sometimes. And this is giving a little bit of that. Like, I feel like, oh my god, my cat is behind the blinds. I'm so sorry. That is so distracting. Anyways, yeah, I feel like it is a little bit stronger of a smell than what I'm used to with self-tanners. So I'm not the biggest fan of that. If you like flowery smells, maybe you'll feel different. I personally don't, so I feel like I don't love what it's giving with the smell. You know what I mean? The spray, I was not expecting what I got. I don't know why I was expecting it to be like a continuous mist that doesn't stop spraying, but it wasn't. It was literally like you had to keep like pushing the button for it to spray. One thing I did like about it was it wasn't like spitting chunks of water out at me. Like, I feel like it really was a fine mist and it was even all around, so there wasn't like pieces that would like hit you in the middle of the forehead and then leave a mark there. That is the worst. But super comfortable to spray on. I think I did it like quite a few times because I wanted to make sure that it was like on there to stay. But it was easy, it was quick. I went over it with a cotton pad just to like even everything out because I am paranoid when it comes to these things. But I feel like if you didn't want to do that, you wouldn't have to. I just added it in as an extra step, but it really did feel like it went on very evenly on my face. So you don't have to do that. I feel like this is really nice and convenient because it's super quick. Like, you just spray a few times and you are like good to go. You don't have to really think about it. It's not as messy as the like serums that you have to mix in with a moisturizer or anything like that. You don't have to like touch anything with your hands, which is so nice to me because you guys know I am lazy. So I want the easiest self-tanner I can get while looking perfect and dark. So I'm hoping this is what this is gonna give me, but we'll see. So far, so good. So far, I am a fan. I just don't like the smell that much. So that's my only like thing I don't love, but the rest, I love it. I love that it's quick. I love that it's easy. It feels really good on my face. It feels like it's like quick drying too. So far I'm a happy girl, but that is it for now. So I'm gonna go sleep on this. And then tomorrow, once I wash it off, I will show you guys what it looks like. And I will let you know if I think it's worth your money. So I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, I am back. It is the next day. So I feel like I look pretty good right now. I do have some thoughts about it. I want to start off by saying I do like it. Like, obviously it got me good color. Like, I am dark. Definitely this will undoubtedly get you a lot of color. So if you're looking for something ultra dark for the face, this is definitely it. But I was a little bit shocked when I woke up this morning and I looked in the mirror. I literally, like, I swear to God, my jaw dropped. I was like, what? Because last night when I went to sleep, obviously the color hadn't developed fully yet, so it still looked like I could tell I got color by the time I went to bed, but it still looked very like natural tan, like light still. And when I woke up this morning and looked in the mirror, it was like orange, you guys. It was orange, and I had like spots from like the spray all over my face, even though I had a cotton pad and I like blended everything in. So I was like fully shocked when I saw my face was like orangey and it had like spots all over it. So that threw me off so bad. So just be very, very careful with that, especially if you're just gonna use the spray and not use like a cotton pad to blend it all in. I can only imagine how spotty it would have looked then. Like, I immediately was like, oh, I hate this. Like, I really, really hate this. Like, I'm gonna look insane all day. Like, I literally thought I was gonna have to scrub my face to get it off. But I like washed my face with cleanser and I like really scrubbed the cleanser in to make sure like all of that color guard came off. And once it did, it went back to like a natural looking color. Like, I feel like right now I do look very dark, but it looks very natural. Just be careful around your pores, because I feel like around my nose, it is a little bit darker than the rest of me. I put some concealer on the sides because you can't really see. I guess I probably shouldn't have done that so I could show you guys. But it is like darker right here compared to the rest of me. So keep that in mind. Be careful in areas where you have pores. Maybe just do like a little extra moisturizing or something to help that. But other than that, I think it looks good. Like, I feel like now that it's washed off, I have really good color. I am almost as dark as my body with my face, I feel like. So it's giving me a natural ultra dark kind of tan once everything is said and done. I don't feel like it's like splotchy or patchy. What do you guys think? I feel like it looks natural, like I said, now that it's on my face and washed off. Like, it looks good. I don't think it's splotchy. I don't think it's patchy. It looks natural, feels good. It was comfortable to wear throughout the night. The smell did like stay around for a while, but by the time I went to bed, I like wasn't noticing it anymore. So it's really not too bad, but it definitely has like a flowery smell. So I don't like the smell. I don't like what the color guard looks like on your face, but don't let it scare you because you'll get like a natural look at the end of it. So I would say it's worth it. I feel like this is a trust the process kind of product, and I feel like that's the case with a lot of body self tanners. So I would say don't let the initial like orangey crazy color scare you. Once you wash your face, it'll look good. I think it looks good. So I think it's a yes. I think it's definitely worth it. I just wouldn't recommend going out after spraying your face with this. Like, definitely sleep on this and wash it off when you wake up, and that would be that. But I do think it's worth it. So that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts though on how this turned out on me. Let me know if you like it, if you don't like it, what else you want me to try. Give this, oh, I just realized I'm not wearing my ring. Oh, okay, I gotta go put my ring on before anyone's asking questions. But yeah, anyways, like the video for me and please make sure you're subscribed, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.